welcome. We're looking a little different today or tonight. It's about 8:30, no, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the evening. This fancy cardboard box here is filled with honeybees. They're all a little bit upset at the moment because we've just traveled with them for about an hour. But we have a bee box out back. So Lincoln and I are going to take our chances right now, and he's going to put his hands in his pocket, don't worry. And we're going to try to get them into the box so that they can adapt to their new home here. So we'll see you out back in a minute. But we're going to open up the temporary door. Lincoln, you just come with a flashlight now. We'll just stop the video. All right, so we're out here at our bee box that I got from a colleague at work who has experience with it. So actually, if you want to come over here, just look inside. So there's a lid on top. Not sure all the right names for it. This other tray. Those are the existing panels in there. There's, as I said, they're from a colleague, so it has some. I believe it's starter food. Again, don't know the right term. On top there. And there's trays in there, and then let me take that spacer off, and then we're going to add the 4 new trays with bees into the middle here. So if you look down, here's a little tiny entrance right now. So once the bees start getting comfortable with this and start growing in this hive, then we remove that board to give them more space. But I'm hoping for this evening that and the person I got them from did smoke them before the car ride. And the smoking is like an herb or a natural thing. Again, I'm new, so you might want to Google this for yourself. But it's like a pheromone to help them relax and hunker down at the hive or at this box here. So we have a smoker on order, but it is from Amazon, but it's not here yet. So we are taking our chances. And again, if it gets, if they're just not ready, if they're too upset, then we'll put the lid back on the box and wait till tomorrow. So we're just going to put that there, which is full of bees. And now we are going to pick up the trays and move them, which are all covered in bees. And told also that it's important to put them in the same order in the new box as they are in here, and that the tighter together they are, the better. And there's a queen in there somewhere too, marked with a green marker, but you won't be able to see that in the dark tonight.
The goal with the smoking here is that we're supposed to be calming the bees, so they are a little more calmer when we're going in there to work on them and disturb them. I think I need to learn a little bit more about it. The smoking kit we got came with little pellets, but I don't think there was enough material in there. I've since learned that you can also just add dried grass, leaves, some other things, and that helps to build the smoke up a little bit. As it says on screen here, I think I just succeeded in making the bees angry by blowing a whole bunch of air on it just with a little bit of smoke. But we're doing this, then we're going to remove the lid off there. And then the goal for today is the way my colleague described it, who has been doing bees for quite a while, is that the bees are focusing their activity kind of in the center of the bee box. So we're going to take out the tray at one end here. It's a little bit stuck just because of the honey and the sugar that's in the process that they're making. So I use a tool that just help pry the tray off the box. So we're taking the one tray out from the end, moving all the other trays over to that side, then putting that tray back in at the far end, and that helps encourage them to fill out the whole box. So when you're removing them, you really want to be careful that you're not crushing any bees. Smooth and steady is the trick here.